Let me show you a little something real quick. It's gonna be taking less than 2 minutes, so continue watching and welcome to Jeoff-Re'z DIY. So these right here are some bell peppers, some yellow capsicum peppers. I have always talked about how I assisted my plants to produce more, and these that I'm showing you right here now is solid proof. For those of you who are following my channel would have already heard me spoken about the effectiveness of hand pollination in previous videos. If you have not yet seen that video, I'll link a card close to the end of this one by which you can go over and watch that video as well. But right now on screen is another example of the effectiveness of the hand pollination process. Oh, one of the advantages of hand pollinating your plant is to actually reduce the risk or the rate at which you have flower dropping. Now, every pepper that you are seeing here on these plants, I hand pollinated them. I do my pollination every morning once there is a flower opening. I do have this brush that I use to pollinate my flowers, and this morning is no exception. So I'm just going to go ahead and pollinate this flower right now. So you can achieve this by using a brush as I'm doing, or you can use a cotton swab, or you can simply use your finger to brush away the pollen. You can also shake or tap the branch, but for me the most effective way is to use a brush. So guys, the number one way to reduce blighting or flower dropping is by hand pollination. And that is my secret. Thanks for watching.